eat it like this. Mmm. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make Southern fried chicken tacos. Guys, let's just get right down to it and get busy. Okay guys, so for the actual tacos, I am using some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I've cut up, and I'm going to be making a slaw to go on top of it. But first, we're going to get this chicken fried up, and while the chicken is frying, we are going to go ahead and make our slaw and get our tortillas all fried up. So I'm just pouring some buttermilk on this. I'm going to let this soak for a few minutes while we get our oil good and hot. And I'm going to also go in with seasonings. I'm going to season my flour as well as my buttermilk mixture with the same. This is some Himalayan salt. And guys, as always, everything will be in the description. Onion powder, a little paprika. Not a lot of seasonings go in this, guys. It's just good old Southern fried chicken. Okay, so I'm going to mix this up and we're going to let this soak for about 10 or 15 minutes while we heat up our skillet and get everything else ready. And we'll be back. Okay, I just tested my oil. I think it's hot enough. Just put a little pieces of flour in there, and if it starts sizzling up, you are good to go. Okay, so we've got our chicken that has been sitting in the marinade. All right, see how that's sizzling up right away, guys? That's what we want. Okay guys, so we're going to make our slaw. We will need cabbage. I have some green cabbage, purple cabbage, carrots. This is some organic cane sugar, mayo, and white wine vinegar. Okay guys, it's a really quick slaw. I make this all the time. I like slaw a lot. That's why the cabbages are small, because that's what I use them for mostly. So we're just going to get our cabbage chopped up here. And I don't need a lot because we're using this for our tacos, so we don't need a ton of it. Okay guys, so our chicken is nice. Oh, there we go. Look at that nice crispy. Yeah, Southern fried chicken tacos. Okay, I'm going to get this out of the skillet and we'll be right back. Okay, we're going to get a little purple cabbage cut up here. And you can top your taco with whatever you want. If you want to use guacamole or whatever, I just find with the chicken tacos, I like the coleslaw. Well, this is my way, my recipe. Then we're going to just shred some carrot on top here. All right. Now we're going to put some mayo in here. And I'll put the measurements down in the description, guys. I will put the measurements in the description. A little white wine vinegar. Sugar. And some complete. We're going to give this a good mix. Make sure it's all well combined. Then we're going to sit it in the refrigerator to let everything gel together. Okay, we'll be back so we can create our taco shells. Okay guys, we are going to use these tortilla flour shells, and we're just going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil in the skillet, tablespoon of butter, make sure it's all around. You don't want your heat on high, you want it on medium. Put it in there on that side. Do another one. on the other side. And we're just gonna let these toast and we'll be right back. Okay, and while our shells are toasting, we're gonna make a hot mayo spicy mayo sauce to go on them as well. Okay guys, so we're just putting in some mayo. This is some hot sauce. You can use any brand you want. I like Red Hot, that's what I'm using. We are going to get this stirred up really well together. And these are some pickled jalapeno slices. I'm not using them. I'm just using a little bit of the juice out of the jar. Okay, we'll let this sit for a few minutes and we will be back. Okay guys, so as you see, we have everything ready. Our slaw is ready. Our tortilla shells, our taco shells are nicely toasted and they are ready to go as well. So now guys, we're gonna fill them up. Just put some of your chicken on the bottom here. As much as you like, as little as you like. At this point, we're gonna pick it up so we can kind of keep it together. I don't have one of those taco things. I'm gonna put another piece or two in here. Then we're gonna fill this one up as well. Okay. Turn this way, you guys will be able to see just a little bit better. Go in with some of our slaw right on top. I'm going to put another piece of chicken on this one right here, just for presentation purposes. And guys, you can put as much slaw as you want on there as well. And from here, set this one up just a little bit more. That's good, that's good. We are going to drizzle our sauce on here. Just wanted to get a little fresh parsley to put on top here. Just needed that pop of color. Okay, that's better. Now we look delicious. Okay guys, don't they look amazing? Yes. And since I can't pick it up and bite, I'm just gonna give me a little piece of this chicken with a little piece of the slaw. We just gonna eat it like this. Can you all hear the crunch? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I need another piece. These are delicious. Guys, welcome in everyone that is new. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you'll always get my videos. Give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and share me out. Guys, connect to me on my Facebook group, Cooking with Chef and More, so we can share all of our recipes and dishes together. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.